Check it out, we got a lot of cables moving all around this build, especially due to its small and compact size. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master V750 SFX Gold fully modular power supply. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box in packaging right here. Everything looks great. They're advertising 100% Japanese capacitors, 10-year warranty, and this is 80+ gold certified for its energy efficiency. Consists of a quiet 92mm fan, and obviously we have the SFX on this. This is going to be a very small form factor for your mini ITX builds, but it also comes with your traditional ATX bracket if you want to use it with a larger case. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual available in multiple languages, walking us through our installation instructions, safety information, troubleshooting, and warranty information. You can also see the pin layout connectors right there. Nice charts and diagrams. Next, you can see we have our ATX bracket if we want to use that, depending on the size of our build. Next, you can see some cable management options, zip ties. We have a couple of Velcro pieces. We also have 2 kits of screws for the power supply and the bracket. And next, you can see all of our cable options right here with our power and our data connectors. And lastly, we have the unit itself. Let's go ahead, let's look at that in more detail. So here's the unit up close, check it out. Everything looks great. We got the Cooler Master logo and branding front and center on our 92mm fan. We can turn it to this side and you can see we got the Cooler Master logo and branding again and our V750. That looks really cool. Here's a quick look at the other side. Now you can see the back side right here with more product information and our 80+ gold certification. And then you can see right here all of our different connection options. So check that out. See if we can get it to focus in so you can read everything right there. Looks great, plenty of room for expansion. And then lastly, here's our other side with our Cooler Master logo again, our toggle switch, and our power connector. All right, so now you can see we have the power supply installed right here. Check it out. We got a lot of cables moving all around this build, especially due to its small and compact size. Stored off to the side for later right here when we add the GPU. You can see we have our PCIe power right there. But very small, compact, fits great in a case like the one you're seeing here. This is the Cooler Master NR200P. Again, it just mounts right there in the nice bracket that's included. We plug our power cable into it, and all of our cables are then routed out the bottom. Also, with this particular case, if you're wondering if you're going to be doing a small and compact build, you can actually mount this to the side as well, depending on what you're trying to configure with your build. But everything's working great, as you can see. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.